Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And this video, I'm going to create a simple code for a robot trading, that is algo trading using Tradetron. So many of them are asking on my YouTube channel as our comment session. They are asking about robot trading like Nifty and Bank Nifty option selling in intraday. So that we can create a code in the Tradetron. So that will help us to make a trades on our trading account by using the algo. So this I'm going to discuss here now, and if you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel. So we want to create some codes to execute the orders. Let's see, this is the simple code where I created to execute my orders. So it will directly execute your orders to your trading account. So there it plays the orders for a buy and sell and stop loss, trailing stop loss or exit at cost, everything we can code it here. So for example, this one I was mentioned around 9:30. After 9:30, I should take a sell position in Bank Nifty ATM call option as well as ATM put option. That I'm going to sell it out whenever the time is above 9:30. So that is the conditions where it can try to take a position in my account where I linked with that on a Tradetron. So it will place the orders in the particular segment of Nifty ATM call options as well as ATM put up. It will tell. And then so I just given just a simple code. At 9:30 I want to take a position at Bank Nifty ATM option. I'm going to sell it out. And I was mentioned about the losses. When I get a 200 rupees profit, I'm going to exit. And whenever the loss is 200 rupees, I'm going to exit. So where we can make whether I'm going to get a 2500 rupees risk for the trade, I can change it out. Or 2000 is my target, I can change it out. Whenever these levels can reach, when your position making a profit or loss, it will automatically close your positions. Okay. So that is the use of this Tradetron algo, the algo trading platform, which gives you some opportunity. And then we can put a market orders, capital require, everything we can create in this particular coding box. So once we created, then we can deploy on our live account or paper trading, whatever you want, you can deploy it out. So now I just done a paper trading for 200 rupees. Just it taken 2 trades and it was a 300 loss because it is a slippage. So when 200 rupees reaches, it's trying to square up my position. That time the variation between the because it is placing in the market orders. So that time we may be losing some extra amount. So we can fix that by the making the stop loss with SLM orders. But there is a limitation for SLM orders, so you cannot able to make continuous SLM order. So you need only one set, and you can make the stop loss on only one. So this coding we can give you, we can create for you as your requirement. So if you want any coding as your requirement, we can create that code, and the minimum charges we are charging for that creating that code, what you want exactly that we are creating. And I'm going to show you one of my client who are asking the coding which is required to do, and now I'll show the backtest of that code which is generating such a great profit. The capital required for the trade is around 3 lakhs. So we are going to do Nifty, Bank Nifty, both ATM straddle we are doing. ATM straddle, that is short straddle, we are doing at 916. Okay, so we did some management for that trade, like when we have the stop loss for each leg, when the stop loss triggered, and it will take again another position if it is necessary. Like that we are created this code with a little bit complex, but it is working well. And this is the real profitability on the backtest result. Somewhere around July we got a 26,000, and August we got a 23, and September till now it is 14k profit is running. So somewhere around 5 to 8% you can expect. This is what the last 3 months of September, August, July. But old one, so that is also available, because this is not taken by me, one of my client who taken this back test. And here somewhere around you get it out somewhere around 26, 29, 6.4, 339.58K. That is the profit from August 2020 to December 2020. That is what a last year. Almost where we see approximately we got a 5 to 6%, 5 to 8% return and an average per month. The same strategy which is you are running with your account with the capital of 3 lakhs, so it is giving you such a great result. And this is not manual orders, this is only by the algo trading platform. And next one, this is what from January to June. So almost we got a such a great profit, and here we got this month alone we got a more than 10 to 12% return. So using this strategy where we have created on TradeRun, so you can get such a profit around minimum 5 to 10% per month. Sorry, this is what 3 lakhs invested. Yeah, just 5% is good enough, right? So 5 to 10% on an average per month, so you can easily focus. Or if you are expecting the profit around 4 to 5%, 4 to 10%, so that is absolutely you will be getting based on this trade. And this is the equity curve where we have started on January 1st and still the curve is going up. So this is the profit where it is going up. And drawdown, it is around 3%, and Sharpe ratio and standard deviation, everything you can check it out from this image. So this is the code which we have created as per my client request, and you can check that back test. And here also 3% drawdown, here 1.9%. This is a 3 months back test. So overall the result is very good. So using this TradeRun, we can make such a great information, great trade ideas where we can create a code. And if you want any code as per your request, we can create. Or if you want the same code, that also we can create on your account that was working good and fine. So if really interested anyone who can join, who can ask about the code, all right? So we can create on your TradeRun. So we don't have any paid plan right now, so I'm using just a free plan right now. And I have created a lot of codings and that was working fine, good. But right now, previously we are doing with the TradeRun, so very huge volume. So I make a 100 lots, 200 lots per day in a bank nifty options. But that time was the margin is very less, around 15,000 to almost 7,000 to 15,000 is good enough for making a short straddle. But right now the margin required to make a short straddle, even it is intraday, it required around 1.8 lakhs. So if anyone who want to make such a leisure profit without doing any hard work, and you can manage this TradeRun account, that is good enough. So you have to you have the time to watch the TradeRun whether it is working right or wrong. If you have the time, you can create a code, or you can also use the TradeRun. So a lot of strategies were available in TradeRun marketplace also. There also you can get it up. So the orders were executed, the signal is getting triggered, it will be executed your orders on your TradeRun. From TradeRun to your trading broker. So that is the easiest way to make orders in Nifty and Bank Nifty option strategies. That was always working better and good. So if anyone who interested to take, because a lot of people are asking about how I'm going to take a TradeRun, and that everything they're asking. So simply we have to create a code, or you can go for a market. That is what a marketplace, and you will find out lot more strategies. For example, this strategy, what the Nifty option buy 2 lot ATM, and somewhere around 200%, 211% return. And we are also running a Nifty positional, that is also working good. But margin concern, we stopped out, and I was doing a lot more on this TradeRun. After this margin change, I stopped it out. We are not doing anything. But I was making a more codings on that. So many. So this is one of my account, and I will log in my another account. I was paying 17,000 for this per monthly. Almost 17,000 per month I was doing, because that time we are doing such a great trades, and more profit we done with this. Let's show you that. What happened? This is my another. So you can see there is my codes because all are blocked because I was not renewed right now. So even I have deployed, that has also removed all the deployments because I not recharged. Okay, so when we check that previous thing, just a second, there is a lot I paid for this. Let's see, monthly I made a 17,000, 5,000 plan, 17,000, again 17,000. After that I have reduced because I cannot able to collect that charges what I am charging for my client. Other like so some uh, creators who charging for a 5,000 5% to 10%. But even though after making the profits, I'm not getting that. See, let's see. And previously I was mentioning that what total subscription amount this was, and the P&L invoice and the pending P&L is still 27,000. Only 33,000 is my that is what we say. I'm charged for that profit charges, but I still pending of 27,000. So I stopped out, but I know the codings and other things. So if anyone who want to take that, so you can get it out. Until April itself, we stopped it out to renew that. But it was working good. So very slow and patient. That will make such a great result. And those who are conservative traders, so expecting some small profit, 1%, 2%, like 3%. So you can go for this. That is a good opportunity where you can create a code. And I have a lot of code, but I cannot able to deploy it out also because it is not a valid live account. It is a free account. We can deploy only one strategy and paper test one strategy. So you can see my all the strategies as break like blocked. So we have lot more strategies here. So this strategy, Nifty positional, Bank Nifty positional, we are running previously, the positional strategy also. So that looks good. So if you want any coding, so you can contact me, the number provided in the description, or you can WhatsApp me, and you will be getting more detail about that trade run. So thank you for watching this video. This may be useful video, and thank you so much for watching this, and thank you very much.